Hey, I am Samavia and you are watching Samavia and Mursal channel. Today I will tell you about this fashion ornament and I will tell you about these beads, how you can put on your hair. First you want to take this one and whatever you like, you can put the bead inside. And then you want to put on your hair. And you want to do like this. Then it's done. I put the beads some before, so and now I am putting for you. So you will learn how to put. And now I will take this again. It's done. And now I will take this one. See, I am doing so easily. It's so easy. First you want to put the bead, then you want to put this needle in your hair. Then you want to just turn a little bit. Then you want to press this button. Then you want to push this bead. Then it will go on your hair. Just we will take a small line of hair and it's done. It's so easy. It's not any trick. Only we want to put these things. And now I will take this one. And now I will take this one. Okay friends, I complete my first hairline. It is this. And now I will start this line. And it's second. And I will show you my final look. Oops, not now. My dress is purple, so I am using all beads the purple. Ornament is finished now, and I am showing you my final look. Wow. I hope you will like our video. If you like our video, like, share, subscribe our channel and take care. Much love. Allah Hafiz. Bye.